سڵاتان لەبێ قوتابیانی خۆشەویست لەم وانەیەدا باز لە subtract equationەکەم. Subtract equation, for example, example number 1, we have d minus 13 equal to 11. ئەمە ژەرۆک و ئادی equation وایە پێویستە دژەکۆکردنەوەی minus 13 وەرگرین کام جاران ئەبێ بە plus 13 واتاڵین d minus 13 inverse of minus 13 is plus 13 equal to 11 plus 13 واتە بۆ هەردوو لای equationەکە plus 13 زیاکەین. ئەم دوانە ئەبێ بە 0 d equal to 11 plus 13 11 plus 13 1 plus 3 4 1 plus 1 2 equal to 24. Example number 2, we have 7.9 equal to c minus 3.4. We have to take in the inverse of negative 3.4. So for both sides, 7.9 minus plus inverse of negative 3.4 is positive 3.4 equal to c minus 3.4 plus 3.4. These two numbers are reduced equal to 0, so you have only c equal to 7.9 3.4. You have to add these two numbers. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. You have to regroup in. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So C equal to 11.3. Example number 3, we have y minus 1.2 equal to 22. We have to take in the inverse of negative 1.2. So write y minus 1.2. The inverse of minus 1.2 is positive 1.2 equal to 22 plus 1.2. These two numbers equal to 0. Write y 22 plus 1.2. 22 1.2. We have to write decimal point and 0. 0 plus 2 2 2 plus 1 3 and 2. So y equal to 23.2. Example number 4, we have z minus 5.8 equal to 11.2. We have to take the inverse of minus 5.8. So z minus 5.8, the inverse of minus 5.8 is plus 5.8 equal to 11.2 plus 5.8. ئەم دوو نمبرە 0 ئەکات تەنها زێتەکەمان ئەمێنێتەوە ئەم دوو نمبرەش کۆکەینەوە 11.2 5.8 2 plus 8 10 بێسە ڕێگروپی کەین 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 5 7 1ەکەش بۆ خوارەوە کەواتە z equal to 17. Example number 5, we have 7 and 1 out of 8 equal to m minus 4 and 3 out of 4. We have to take the inverse of negative 4 and 3 out of 4. So we have to write 7 and 1 out of 8. The inverse of minus 4 and 3 out of 4 is plus 4 and 3 out of 4 equal to m minus 4 and 3 out of 4 plus 4 and 3 out of 4. These two mixed numbers equal to 0, so we have only m 7 and 1 out of 8 plus 4 and 3 out of 4. Now we have two mixed numbers. We have to add. First, you have to add only whole numbers. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. And then we have to add fraction. 1 out of 8 plus 3 out of 4. We have the different denominators. You have to find least common multiple for 8 and 4. Least common multiple for 8 and 4 is 8. We have to change only this fraction. 3 out of 4. 4 times what number? Equal to 8 times 2 and 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equal to 6. 4 times 2 equal to 8. Now we have these two fractions, 1 out of 8 plus 6 out of 8. 1 plus 6 is 7 equal to 7 out of 8, and the whole number is 11. So m equal to 11 and 7 out of 8. 11 and 7 out of 8. Example number 6, we have d minus 8 and 4 out of 5 equal to 25 and 2 out of 3. We have to take the inverse of negative 8 and 4 out of 5 for both sides. D minus 8 and 4 out of 5. The inverse of minus 8 and 4 out of 5 is positive 8 and 4 out of 5 equal to 25 and 2 out of 3 plus 8 and 4 out of 5. These two mixed numbers equal to 0. D equal to 25 and 2 out of 3 plus 8 and 4 out of 5. You have two mixed numbers. First, you have to solve only whole numbers. 25 plus 8 equal to 33. Now we have two fractions, 2 out of 3 plus 4 out of 5. Least common multiple for 3 and 5 is 15. So we have to multiply this fraction, numerator and denominator, by 5. Because 3 times 5 equal to 15. And this fraction, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 3. Because 5 times 3 equal to 15. 5 times 2 equal to 10 out of 15. Plus 4 times 3 equal to 12. 5 times 3 equal to 15. Now we have these two fractions. 10 plus 12 equal to 22. And the whole numbers is 33 and 22 out of 15. So D equal to 33 and 22 out of 15. Example number 7, we have y minus 9 and 1 out of 4 equal to 18. We have to take in the inverse of negative 9 and 1 out of 4 for both sides. Y minus 9 and 1 out of 4. The inverse of minus 9 and 1 out of 4 is plus 9 and 1 out of 4 equal to 18 plus 9 and 1 out of 4. These two mixed number equal to 0. Y equal to 18 plus 9 and 1 out of 4. we have to change this mixed number to fraction 9 and 1 out of 4 by this rule. 9 times 4 plus 1 out of 4. 9 times 1 equal to 36 plus 1, 37 out of 4. Now we have y equal to 18 plus 37 out of 4. You have to change this whole number to fraction and find least common multiple. For 1 and 4 is 4. You have to change only this fraction. 18 out of 1. 1 times 1 number equal to 4 times 4. 18 times 4. 18 times 4 equal to 72. 4 times 1 equal to 4. Now we have these two fractions. 72 out of 4 plus 37 out of 4. 72 out of 72 plus 37 plus 37. 72 plus 37 equal to 109. So y equal to 109 out of 4.